Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Welcome back to my YouTube channel viewers. How are you all, my YouTube community and my sweet friends? I hope my all the lovely viewers are good and healthy. So Allah bless you all and always be happy friends. First of all, thank you so much viewers for watching my all the previous videos and supporting me. I am very happy to see this and I am very thankful to you for your this favor. Please be support me like this forever and I am very thankful and very happy to see this. My all the YouTube community are very supportive and very kind. Secondly, you can see friends, in this video we are providing you most amazing and most trending designs of handmade crochet hats ideas. It's very amazing and trending collection especially for summer. So viewer, please don't skip the video, watch the video start to end because all of these designs are so stunning, so unique and very useful. I hope you all love this type of beautiful and popular collection. So viewer, share this video with your family and lovely friends who want these type of most attractive design of handmade crochet hats. Viewers, different people have different choices and they love different type of colors and different type of designs. So in this video you will see different colors, different decent and unique design of handmade crochet articles. Pick your favorite one and must make these beautiful and attractive designs for yourself and for your loved one and for gifting. Thank you viewer for watching this video. For those people who searching beautiful and outlast collection, it's very amazing and very trending collection for them. They will get new design, new ideas related to your crochet items. So viewer, if you all love this article and if you want more designs and more ideas, so like my video, subscribe my channel and please don't forget to press the bell icon for new and latest update. Viewer, when you press the bell icon, you receive the notification of my recently uploading videos. So now I am share with you the what is the crochet. Crochet is a wonderful hobby that combines creativity, relaxation, and handiness. Crochet is a popular needlework technique that involves using a hook and yarn to create fabric. It's used to make a wide range of items from clothing and accessories to home decor and toys. So viewer, if you are interested in learning how to crochet, I can provide you with some basic instructions and resources to get you started, or if you are already an experienced crocheter, I would be happy to help you with veterans tips and instructions and inspirations for your next project. What would you like to know about crochet? And before, it's a versatile craft that can be used to make a wide range of items such as clothing, accessories, home decor, and kids toys, granny squares. Crochet has many benefits including relaxation and stress relief, creative expression and self-expression, portability, easy to make, easy to take with you on the go, customization, choose your own yarn on your favorite colors and patterns, cost effective, make your own item instead to buying them. Some common crochet stitches included chain stitch, single crochet, double crochet, half double crochet, and tribal crochet. So if you are interested and if you are If you are interested in learning how to crochet, there are many online sources and I am also available here for your help. So you get started and uh, must make these beautiful designs for yourself and of all of your loved one, and send your friends gift. And what is the benefit of crochet hats and other crochet articles? So viewer, I am very thankful to you one more time, and I am very highly requested to you for support me and like this forever. Thank you so much viewers, and I am very happy to see this. You are very sportive. Please be support me like this forever. Thank you so much. And if you all are love this article and want more type of articles of crochet handmade needleworks, so stay tuned with me and must press the bell icon for new and latest notifications. I hope your this video is very helpful to you, and thank you so much friends. Okay viewers, see you soon, take care, and Allah Hafiz.